Today is August 6th and it is currently 1, and today is the last day of my senior practicum, and I don't know how to feel. Like, I like the unit I'm working in. I love the people there, but today's my last day. I also got my preceptor like a little gift because she's been so patient and she's taught me so much the past maybe 8 weeks of this quarter, and I'm just so grateful. Also, oh my gosh, today is 17's ticketing. Girl, I don't even know. Like, I'm brokey right now, but I'm still trying to go, because it's money comes back. I think the ticketing is at 3 p.m. for general sale, but I'm also not trying to get barricade because I know barricade is expensive, and also it's probably ticket anyway. And so I might either just do nosebleeds or the 100 section, or I don't even know. I had my birthday last weekend, and I'm just gonna be showing you what Keegan got me because I love everything. Or I'm literally obsessed with Pop Mart right now, and he got me a bunch of stuff from there. So we're gonna unbox them together. I had these. Oh, this is the Vigilance. Okay, she cute. She kind of scary, but she cute. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, last. Literally the cutest thing. Anything is fine except Amber because we have her. Windflower because we have her, and then I don't want the teak wood. Please don't give me that one.
You can get it. You have to taste something.
Oh, literally anything else is great. I'm scared. Which one's this one?
Wait, that's so cute.
Wait, what was this one? Is this a secret?
Can I see? Let me see.
Girl, I think this is the secret. No. I'm at Target, and I think I'm just gonna get chips and salsa because I feel like everyone loves chips and salsa. I don't want anything too heavy or too crazy. So, girl, I look crazy. What is this? I think I'm gonna get this one. I literally don't know the difference between these two. So I think I'm just gonna get this one with this one. I don't know. This one looks good. Good morning, everyone. I did something so dumb today. First of all, it is only 7:35 a.m. and I'm awake and ready to go because I thought I had work today at the hospital, and then I was like, oh my god, woke up at 6, got ready just for me to get sent back home. Girl. But I was just damn. So I told my manager, I was like, you know what, my ass is going back home. Take me off schedule today. I'm not coming in at night, and take me off schedule tomorrow because I'm not coming either. So yeah, I literally packed my lunch too. I packed everything. I made my coffee. Girl.
There.
16th. No, August 15th. And it is my last day of school ever. Like ever. Like college ever. And it is currently 7:20. Skincare done.
Should we get the ring? Yeah.
Or what about the mushroom? Beef, yeah, beef, guys. I'm fine with just beef.
But it's
We have fish balls there.
Oh,
I think the beef is okay. Are we getting a drink after?
yeah.
Okay.
What? What are we doing?
Getting a drink.
Hey, you said it before just now.
No, for real. Bitch, I always think about it. Best believe.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go cafe. We wanted to do photo booth, but now we're fine.
Concha. Is that it? I've never had these. I've always seen these at SARS.
Yeah, I know, they have outside. Can I take a picture for my thumbnail? Oh my god, ano ka na?
Ay!
Oh my god, we have to go. Sit down right now. Sit down right now. This is trial number 2.
Zillion. No, this would have been cute. Just cut me out.
Oh my god. It's giving passport. So cute.
Does he want like a nursing baddie?